Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is algebra. Firstly, degree of the polynomial. Highest index of x in algebraic expression is called the degree of the polynomial. Algebraic एक्सप्रेशन x की जो हाईएस्ट इंडेक्स होता है उसे ही हम क्या बोलते हैं, डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल बोलते हैं. Different types of polynomials based on degrees. The first one is linear polynomials. A polynomials of degree 1, that is ax plus b, because x raised to the power 1, so this is linear polynomial. Here a and b are constant and a not equals to 0. Now the second one is quadratic polynomials. A polynomial of degree 2, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Here a not equals to 0. So x raised to the power 2. So this polynomial is called quadratic polynomials. Now the third one is cubic polynomials. A polynomial of degree 3, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a not equals to 0. Here x cube, x raised to the power 3, so this polynomial is called a cubic polynomial. Now based on number of terms, the first one is monomial x 9x square 5x cube etc. मोनोमिल यहाँ पे आपको ओनली वन टर्म आपको मिल रही है, तो बेस्ड ऑन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स दिस टर्म contains only one term, so this type of polynomials are called monomial. And the second one is binomial. 2x square plus 3x under root 3x plus 5x square minus 8x cube plus 3, all are binomials. Now the third one is trinomials. 3x square minus 8 plus 5 by 2 under root 7x plus 108x raised to the power 4 minus 3x square 5 minus 7x plus 8x raised to the power 9 etc. So in binomial having two terms and trinomials having three terms. Now 0 degree polynomial. Any non-zero number constant is regarded as polynomial of 0 degree, that is fx is equal to 9, where a not equals to 0 is a 0 degree polynomial. आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 9, सो यहाँ पे एक्स रेस्ट टू द पावर 0 इज इक्वल टू 1. So only numerical value of fx is equal to 9, so this polynomial is called 0 degree polynomial. Now 0 polynomial is implies fx is equal to 0, we can't determine the degree of zero polynomial. Algebraic identity is implies an identity is an equality which is true for all values of the variables. Now the first one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now the second one is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b whole multiplied by a minus b. Now the fourth one is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. And the fifth one is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. Now the sixth one is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. Now the seventh one is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab square plus 3a square b minus b cube. Now the eighth one is a square plus b square plus c square minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c whole multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Now special case, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now value form on based of algebraic identities. Now the first one is a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab if a plus b and ab are given. Now the second one is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab if a minus b and ab are given. Now a plus b is equal to whole under root, inside the under root a minus b whole square plus 4ab if a minus b and ab are given. Now a minus b is equal to whole under root, inside the under root a plus b whole square minus 4ab if a plus b and ab are given. A square plus 1 upon a square is equal to a plus 1 upon a whole square minus 2 if a plus 1 upon a is given. Now a square minus 1 upon a square is equal to a minus 1 upon a whole square plus 2 if a minus 1 upon a is given. Now a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 3ab a plus b if a plus b and ab are given. Now a square minus b square is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab multiplied by a minus b if a minus b and ab are given. Now a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3 multiplied by a plus 1 upon a if a plus 1 upon a is given. Now a cube minus 1 upon a cube is equal to a minus 1 upon a whole cube plus 3 multiplied by a minus 1 upon a if a minus 1 upon a is given. Now illustration of the first one is find the value of 36 x square plus 49 y square plus 84 xy when x is equal to 3 comma y is equal to 6. So 36 x square plus 49 y square plus 84 xy is equal to 6x whole square, because 36 is 6 square, so C 6x whole square plus 7y whole square, because 7 square is equal to 49, so 7y whole square plus 2 into 6 into 7, uh, 7 6 ja 42, 42 into 2 is equal to 84, so 84 is splitted into 2 into 6 into 7, so 84xy plus 2 into 6x into 7y. Now this term is represented by a plus b whole square, so cx 6x plus 7y whole square, so x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6, so put the value of x and y in this term, then 6 into 3 plus 7 into 6 whole square, 6 3 ja 18 and 7 6 ja 42, so 18 and 18 plus 42 is equal to 60, 60 square 6 square is equal to 36, and 0 2 times multiplied, then 3600 is the answer. Now the third one is 25x square plus 16y square minus 40xy, and when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 7. Now 5x whole square, because 5 square is equal to 25, so 5x whole square plus 4y square, 4 square is equal to 16, so 4y whole square minus 40, 40 is split into 2 into 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, 20 into 2 is equal to 40, so minus 40xy is minus 2 into 5x into 4y, so this term is represent as m minus b whole square, so 5x minus 4y whole square, then x and y, the value of x and y, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 7, so 5 into 6 is equal to 30 and 4 into 7 is equal to 28, so 30 minus 28 is equal to 2, so 2 square is equal to 4, 2 square is equal to 4 is the answer.